Jai Srimanarayana. 9th sloka of 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata ज्ञानम् आवृत्यतु तमः प्रमादे संजयत्युत। ॐ Realize that Sattvagunam, Rajogunam, Tamogunam, all these gunas binds you by some kind of attachment. Keep on continuously try to improve your Sattvika Gunam and keep on performing your activities as a service of Sri Krishna Paramatma. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall definitely keep on improving my Sattvika Gunam, and also I shall definitely keep on performing my activities as your service. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please guide me to act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukayogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 7th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Narada Maharshi teaching Dharmaraju like this, O Dharmaja, in the previous era, I was born to a maid, but after doing seva, service to Paramatma's devotees, I have born to Sakshat Chaturmukha Brahma. And, O Dharmaja, just by the singing the glory of Sriman Narayana, even those who are in household activities, which is grahasthashramam, they can attain moksham, which is going to be attained by sannyasashrama people, great sannyasis. So that that can be attained even by grahasthas, just by chanting Srimannarayana Nama Sankirtanam. That much grahasthashramam is such a greatest ashramam. And also, oh Dharmaja, you Pandavas are very lucky. You know why? Because Punana Munayobhiyanti Lokam. The great rishis, munis, those who are sanctifying, purifying all three worlds, always comes to you, comes to your house as guests. That is such a greatest opportunity for you all to serve them. Not only that, on top of that, Esham Gruhan Avasati iti Sakshat Gudham Param Brahma Manushyalingam. Sakshat Paramatma Srimannarayana in the form of Sri Krishna Paramatma lives in your home. All the great Maharshis, Rajarshis, Devarshis, everybody always search for such Parabrahma, Devadeva, Srimannarayana, Sri Krishna Paramatma. Such Sri Krishna Paramatma is living in your home as your well-wisher, as your friend, as your brother-in-law, as your soul, as your teacher. What such a greatest opportunity, and how lucky you are all. All great enlightened people wants to see Sri Krishna Paramatma, who is personification of eternal bliss. Such Krishna Paramatma is living in your home. Na yasya sakshat bhava padmajadibhihi Brahma, Rudra, Indra, and nobody is able to realize such greatest reality, Paratattvam, Param Brahma, Sri Krishna Paramatma, Srimannarayana. Such Srimannarayana is living in your home. Oh Dharmaja, only by surrendering such Paramatma Srimannarayana is going to be pleased. He is pleased by you. He is going to be pleased by you all. Like that, Narada Maharshi taught all kind of teachings to Dharmaraju and about Grahasthashramam. And after that, Dharmaraja, after listening from Narada Maharshi about Sri Krishna Paramatma, Srutva Krishnam Param Brahma Pardhaha Parama Vismitaha. After listening that, Dharmaraju felt so much surprisingly and extremely happy, knowing that Sri Krishna Paramatma is Sakshat Parabrahma. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching to Parikshin Narendra. With this, 7th Skandham, Srimad Bhagavata 7th Skandham is successfully concluded, and from tomorrow onwards we will start 8th Skandham. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 9th sloka. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata jnanamavrutya tu tamaha pramade sanjayatyuta. Sattvam sukhe sanjayati rajah karmani bharata jnanamavrutya tu tamah pramade sanjayatyuta. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.